welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about what you could do to help your controller stick drift or your controller drift. So what you're going to do is, from the home screen on your PS5, you don't have issues with your PS4 as much, but with the PS5, you're definitely going to have some controller drift issues within a few months. Make your way to the settings. Go down to, I believe it is going to be accessories. Then you want to go on Bluetooth accessories, and you're going to say, actually don't do that. Just go down and turn on Bluetooth and turn it off. So when you do it, it's going to say when the Bluetooth is turned on, to turn it off, or Bluetooth is turned on, to turn it off, connect your PS5 controller using the USB cable, which obviously comes with it. And then select continue, and your PS5 will restart and Bluetooth will be turned off. Now, this will reset the Bluetooth. Now, I experienced some horrible controller drift again. It's like, what do I have to do? What do I got to do? So I turned off the Bluetooth, which in order to do that, you have to connect the controller to the PS5. And if that's not weird enough, you have to restart the entire PS5 and Bluetooth just for it to go off. That doesn't make any sense at all. That is the stupidest. Like, that is going backwards now. Like I don't think anything that I have Bluetooth, right? Whether it's in my phone or whether it's in my computer, I don't have to restart something to turn off Bluetooth. It's almost like the PS5 is not good. It's backwards. It's worse than a PS3. Now, again, not trying to rant, but let's get serious right now. You restart. Once you turn on your PS5 with the controller connected with the cable, you turn it on, go and turn Bluetooth back on. When that happens, you have to restart your PS5 again. Then, the Bluetooth resets. Your PS5 controller connects with Bluetooth. So I guess playing with a cable is probably a better option. However, this will most likely be the big thing that worked for me again, for my stick drift, and this will work for you guys. It's pretty clear the way they built the PS5 controllers, or it's the Bluetooth for the PS5, it's terrible. Anyway, I can't do this obviously, because obviously like it's connected. If it restarts, it's gonna disconnect. But that's what you guys do. So turn off Bluetooth. It's a safe thing. It's nothing horrible, and it's good to restart your console out anyway. I recommend having a few days in rest mode, a few days shut off mode. But I think if you do shut off your PS5 a lot, I think issues are just gonna occur. Again, I don't know. This is just my experience. Every PS5 I think is just completely built differently. Sometimes they just won't even work, or your streams will just shut off, or you're gonna have some damn download upload problems, internet problems. Yeah, it's pathetic. But anyway, again, simply make your way to settings, go to accessories, general, turn off Bluetooth. You have to take your controller with the USB port or USB, whatever it is, cable, restart it, turn it back on. Obviously your controls have to be connected because there's no Bluetooth. That's the connection that's how it's wireless, The Bluetooth sucks, I think. Anyway, you're going to do it again, and you get the idea. You're going to have to turn on Bluetooth, and obviously it'll restart. So that should work. That's what you should do. That should help out a lot. Hopefully your controller drift isn't something out of place, because if that's the case, I don't know what you're going to have to... Yeah, you're going to have to do something crazy about that. But this does help a lot, so give this a try. Let me know if this does help. This doesn't ruin anything. If it does, I mean, it really shouldn't, because all you're doing is turning off Bluetooth and turning it back on. But anyway, let me know if this works for you. It worked for me. Thanks everybody for watching. See you guys next time.